For today's subject, I've chosen to go to Lumsdale, the old mill in Lumsdale. A great place. It's only a few miles, maybe about 5 miles from where I live, just the other side of Matlock. And it's some old industrial ruins where nature's taking over and the trees are going through the floor of the buildings, etc. There's an old tumble-down waterfall that runs through it. Lots of remnants of the industrial activity there. It really is quite an inspirational place for artists. And last time I was there, the whole of Matlock Camera Club were in there because it's good for photography as well. And I've chosen what's left of this little factory building here, and I think it's an old paint mill. So this big bowl thing might be something to do with the paint making process. But I quite like that elliptical shape in front of the rectangular building, so the triangular shape rather of the building. So lots to get our teeth into here, even though it's only a small piece of paper.